DieCast Street League. We are here with another good race series for you today. Top of the list, A-Class Shootout. These 4 cars will run it off. The top 2 drivers from this race series will face 2 other racers from another race series. All right, put them together and they're going to do battle. All right, let's get to these cars though. 69 COPO Camaro. 1970 Dodge Charger RT. 85 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, driven by Keith Smith. 1984 FERRARI GTO. Those are your cars for today's race. Man, I cannot wait for this race series. Alright? We're going at 10 points. First place gets 2 points. Second place gets 1 point. No third or fourth points. You better work for your food if you want to eat. Alright? Let's go. Chargers in first place, the Ferraris in second. Ferraris in second. He passed that Charger up. Oh my God, coming out of Shark's mouth, he has the lead and withholded. The Camaro passed the Charger for the second place victory. Chargers in first place, the he passed that Charger up. Oh my God. We are back. Man, that was a crazy race. So far, it's already getting crazy around here. Let's get to it, all right? Brock in that Charger led all the way down from the first and second turn. Coming out of the second turn, he made a common mistake, put too much power down too soon. The Ferrari's in second. Oh, he passed it. He spun out. The Ferrari passed him up. The Camaro, that red Camaro, followed suit over the hump, doing about 130. First and second place. Let's get it. Let's go. Smith is in first place, coming out of the first and second turn. Over the hump, he still has the lead to anybody. Smith is in first place, coming out of the first and second turn. Over the hump, he still has the lead to anybody challenge him. Oh, the Ferrari passed him right at the line. Oh my God. The Ferrari got a 10.97 time. That was an awesome pass. Over the hump. We are back. That was a crazy race. Keith Smith led that race from the first turn all the way to the last. All right. The Ferrari drove up beside that man out of the last turn. I don't know what happened, but he came out of that corner with more speed. Caught Keith Smith. Passed that man up for the first place victory. Let's go. Camaro was out in front, the Chargers in second, the Ferraris in third. Camaro was out in front, the Chargers in second, the Ferraris in third. The Camaro held him off at a 10.98 time. The Charger came in second place. The Ferrari was in third. Keith Smith got a DNF right there. Back at the top. The Chargers second. The Ferraris in third. We are back. That COPO Camaro led that one all the way down. Brock was glued to his bumper all the way down as well. He couldn't get around that COPO with all that power and all that skill. Brock took the second place. The COPO took the first place. Let's go, let's get it. Smith and that R-Z28 got passed by that Ferrari. Oh my God, coming out of shock, smile. Oh, Keith Smith got the lead back from the Ferrari. He took a 10.70 time at the Ferrari's expense. Ooh, that was a good one. The Ferrari got second place, but Keith Smith got past him, passed him back up. That's racing. Back at the top. Coming out of shock, smile. Oh, Keith Smith got the lead back from the Ferrari. We are back. That was another great race. This race series is crazy. Seriously, crazy. Keith Smith had the lead coming out of the first turn. The Ferrari caught Keith Smith in the second turn. All right. The Ferrari had the lead coming out of the shark's mouth. Keith Smith caught him right before the S-curves. Got his first place position back. Got the lead back from the Ferrari. Took the first place victory. The Ferrari got the second place. What a race. Man. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Out in that Charger. The Camaro's on his heels, coming out of stock smile. Oh my God, it's gonna be a battle here. Rocking out in that Charger. The Camaro's on his heels, coming out of stock smile. Oh my God, it's gonna be a battle here. Oh, Brock got first place, and the Camaro got second place. We are back. Brock in that Charger led that one all the way down from the first to the last turn. All right. No one really challenged him. It was an easy, clean race for the challenger. Brock was driving that thing, got the first place victory. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Camaro's in first place. Rocket is on his heels, coming out of Shark's mouth. Oh, it's gonna be a good one. Oh, the Camaro got first place. He got a 10.50 time. Camaro heels, coming out of Shark's mouth. Oh, it's gonna be a good one. Oh, the Camaro got first place. He got a 10.50 time. We are back. That was another good race in the books. That red COPO Camaro was in the lead all the way down. All right. Brock in that orange Charger was trying to catch him. He was close. He was drafting over the hump, but couldn't catch that COPO. He got the first place victory. Brock in that Charger got the second place. Let's get it. Let's go. T-ROC and the I-ROC Z28 is in first place. Brock is in second. Coming out of Shark's mouth. Oh my God, it's gonna be a good one. T-ROC held him off. T-ROC got a 10.63 time. Brock came in second place. T-ROC was moving that Z28. Yikes. Back at the time. We are back after another good race. T-ROC in that Z28 was leading that race all the way down. Brock in the Charger passed the Ferrari to get in second place to challenge T-ROC. T-ROC drove that I-ROC Z28 to the first place victory. Brock got the second place in that Charger. Let's get to that next race. I cannot wait. Let's go. Let's get it. Ferrari's in first place. Oh, Ferrari's in first place. Oh. T-ROC Oh, that was a good race. 11.27 time. Looks like the Ferrari got that. We are back. That was another banging race. The Ferrari was out in front. T-ROC was in second place coming out of the first turn. That red COPO Camaro passed up T-ROC going into the second turn. I don't know what happened to the COPO. He must have put too much power down too soon. Because T-ROC passed him up coming over the hump. I couldn't believe it. He got the... He was trying to get the first place position from the Ferrari. He was on his heels. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Brock is in first place. Oh, the Ferrari's in second. Oh, it's been a wreck. Coming out of Shark's mouth. Then Brock pulled the Ferrari off of his wheel. Got 11.06 time. They were going through there. Everybody got to the line, all grouped up like you know what. What's been a rip coming out of 11.06 time. They were going through there. Everybody got to the line, all grouped up like you know what. Back at we are back at the top of the canyon. That was another good race. Brock and that Charger led all the way down. That Ferrari was on his bumper. He had no room to breathe though. I'm talking about he was drafting him the whole way down. He had no airspace. But he got the first place victory. The Ferrari got the second place. Let's go. Let's get it. COPO Camaro's in first place. The Ferrari's on his heels, coming out of Shark's mouth. Oh, it's been a wreck. The Ferrari's in first place. Smith took second place. The Ferrari got 11.34 time. Brock came in third place. COPO wrecked right here, now, buddy. COPO Camaro's in first place. The Ferrari's on his heels, coming out of Shark's mouth. Oh, it's been a wreck. The Ferrari's in first place. Smith. The Ferrari won those series of races. He's been running good all day. He will move on to the next race series. We got a tie. The Camaro, Keith Smith driving that I-ROC Z28, and Brock is driving that Charger RT. Alright, first man across the line is the first man calling themselves moving on with that Ferrari to the next set of drivers trying to take their heads off. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Smith is in first place. Brock is on his heels though, coming out of Shark's mouth. Can he hold that Charger off? And Smith is in first place. Brock is on his heels though, coming out of Shark's mouth. Can he hold that Charger off? And he will. Keith got 10.92 time. The Ferrari won that race series. He will move on to the next races. Keith Smith came in second place. They both will move on to face the racers waiting to take their heads off. All right. Thanks for watching DieCast Street League. Please like, subscribe, and share and hit the bell.